Good morning, everyone. Myself, Deepak Chandrakant Waghmare. I am studying in 10th SSC batch. Today, I will be teaching you the topic study of sound. So let's move to our topic. So, can anyone tell me something about sound or definition of sound?
A vibration of any object is nothing but the sound.
Yes, correct. Okay, sound is a form of energy which creates a sensation of our ears. Means through which we can hear by our ears. A medium is necessary for the propagation of sound. Means the medium means a medium means is needed for the transfer of sound that can be solid, liquid, or gas. Now compression means the place where density is high, and the rarefaction means where the density is low. Now here types of sound waves. There are two types of sound waves. So the first is longitudinal wave and second is transverse wave. The longitudinal waves in which the particles oscillate about their mean position in parallel direction of the wave. The means the particles oscillate to and fro movement in the particles in parallel direction of the waves. Now transverse waves, particles move in perpendicular direction of the wave. Okay, everyone is clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. So we will move to our next part. See, these are pictures of longitudinal waves and transverse wave. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So audible, infra, and ultrasound. Audible sounds, the human ear can hear a sound of frequency only from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. These are called audible sounds. A human ear cannot hear a sound of frequency about 20,000 Hz, means hertz, and below 20 Hz. These are audible sounds. Now infrasounds, the sound waves of frequency less than 20 Hz. These are less than 20 Hz are called infrasounds. For example, dogs and mouse. These animals have special ability to hear the infrasounds. Now next, ultrasounds, the sound wave of frequency greater than 20 Hz, 20,000, 20 kilohertz. These sounds are called ultrasounds. For example, bats and mice and dolphins can produce ultrasounds. One of those examples I have taken here. See here, this bat produces the ultrasound waves, and those hits the wall or any object, hide it, so the bat can know that something is there in front of it. Similarly, bat feeds on their prey. Now an echo. Can anyone tell what is the definition of echo?
Reverberation of sound.
Okay. An echo is the repetition of original sound due to the reflection by a surface. To hear a distinct echo, the reflecting surface should be at a minimum distance. Now see for an example, this person is in an empty room and suppose if he speaks something, the voice will be echoed, but only if the distance between him and the wall should be 17.2 meters. Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I will conclude here.